Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Aternos server unable to connect. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that you gotta click on connect right here and copy the correct port and IP. Okay, all you gotta do is just copy it. Do not include spaces, just like this one right here. Okay, make sure that you copy just the text. Right click and copy, then open up your Minecraft direct connection or add a server, give it a name, done. Okay, here we have it. Or you gotta use direct connection right here. Click on connect and use the DYN IP, or just click the copy button, paste that in here and join. All right, and make sure that your time has not run out, because if this runs out, you won't be able to connect. Therefore, you'll have the error. Okay. Also, this error occurs when you are trying to connect to the wrong version of Minecraft. For example, your Aternos server is set to Java, and then you're trying to connect to a Bedrock game. Well, unfortunately, that won't work. Okay, or vice versa. Okay, that's basically it. You could also try to at least, all right, restart the server right here. Just click on it and wait for your turn. And after that, just try to connect once more. If not, you can just go ahead and click on stop. Go back to your account right here or servers. Okay, click on servers. Delete the server. But just click on this pencil icon. Delete. Yes. And make sure that you have a backup of your worlds, by the way, if you want to re-upload it. Okay. That's basically it. Create a new one, re-upload the worlds or mods, and after that, you're good to go. And another option, by the way, you could open up options and enable cracked right here. Okay, most especially if you're not using a premium account. That's how simple it is to fix a Aternos server unable to connect. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.